Missed me? Yeah, I know. Okay, so today we're going to Switzerland for Swiss PGDay 2026. Okay, here we are again in the Vienna airport. The same vibe. We're going to Switzerland. Oh, I know these people. Hey, people, say hi, say hi. So, Svetlana, you're organizer, right? So,
Yes, look, I don't want to spoiler, but we are all very, very excited to see there are two tracks, bilingual tracks, English, German. It's gonna be like whoa, whoa, whoa. And another thing is, I think the PGDay Swiss has a very awesome activity during social event. But I don't want to open all of the cards today. Please join us.
so Raj, is this your first Swiss conference?
Yes, it is.
Oh, how do you think it will look like?
I will find out.
You are very good for interview. Now, grab your laptops and warm up your cache. It's presentation time. PGConf Swiss is unique because here in this conference we have posters, and those posters are presented by their authors. So another way to communicate with the audience. So we are doing talks in the real university, and here we have a real experiments, so we can run some of those, I believe, at some point. Oh, those are basically main components of the whole system. So this guy in the middle is responsible for everything, and I will show you in what way and how to use it properly. Query execution completed, all talks are done, and now it's time for social party. Let's go.
That's a developed concept.
So Alexei, tell us, what was the best part of the Swiss PGDay?
It's the hottest conference, the hottest Postgres conference. So it's very thoughtful for the organizers to have stations with water. Do it if you organize a conference.
So next year, stations with beer might help.
Yeah.
Very good.
Something.
get to the Zurich airport from Rapperswil. But why would you choose train or taxi cab if you have a lake with a boat? That's all, folks. The summer hot Swiss conference is done. I hope to see you soon on our next conferences and meetups. I hope to see you in Valencia in October. And take care. Have fun. Stay tuned.